Hi friends, how you doing? This is Miss Martinez and Miss Bradley. Today we're gonna go through the numbers and the shapes and some of the worksheets that we sent on this bundle. We are excited of making these videos for you guys. I hope you guys are safe and you are staying active at home. So today, let's start with Miss Bradley, okay?
Hi friends, today we're going to go through numbers 0 through 9 because all of those numbers make the rest of the numbers, okay? So let's start right here at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I want you to keep counting and keep practicing, and we're going to talk a little bit more with Miss Martinez about how to make other numbers besides 0 through 9. Miss Martinez, what do you have for us?
Okay, so I have the number 1 and the number 0. If we put them together, that makes the number 10. Okay? Now, if we put the number 1 and the number 2 together, that makes 12. And let me put it both ways and see which one you can see. So if we put 2 and 1 together, that makes 21 too, see? So we can have 12 or we can have 21. Now, if we put the 1 and the 3 together, that makes 13. And then if we put the 3 and the 1, that makes 31. Okay? Now, if we put the number 1 and the number 4 together, that makes 14. See? Now, we put the 4 first, that makes 41. Okay? Now, if we put the number 1 and the number 5, that's 15. And if we put it, the 5 first, that's going to be 51. We do 1 and 6. What number is that? 16. And again, 6 first, and the 1, it makes 61. You can play with your numbers and make different numbers. So we do the 1 and the 7, that's 17. Okay? And then 71. If we make the 1 and the 8, that makes 18. And then we can have 81. If we do 1 and 9, that makes 19. And then we can have 91. Okay? And if we make the 2, let me find my number 0. If you have the 2 and the 0, that makes 20. So you put your numbers to the different numbers, and you can make different numbers. So you can play around with this, and you can have like an 87, an 88. This is a good game that you can do at home, so you guys can keep practicing your numbers, and you can put your numbers. Remember, 2 numbers together are gonna make a number. With 2 digits. Okay? So keep practicing your numbers. You can count all the way to 20, and we can do all the way to 100. Remember, we were doing by 10, so we can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, okay? So count by 10, count by 5. You can do that. We used to do that at school, so you guys are used to that, okay? I think that's all we can do for numbers right now. So I'm going to let Miss Bradley talk to you guys a little bit about the shapes, and then we're going to do something with some little cutouts that I have here, okay?
All right, friends. let's go over the different shapes. Let's see if you remember. This shape has 8 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We talked about it a couple weeks ago. It's the same shape that a stop sign is. It's called an octagon. This is one that we haven't seen in a while. Let's count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. That's called a pentagon. A pentagon. This one has how many sides? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. This one's from way back. It's called a triangle. Let's count these sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a square? No. It has 4 sides, but are they all the same? No. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That makes a rectangle. What is this one? This one is a circle, and it goes around and around. It doesn't have any sides, so it goes around and around. Remember, Cindy circle goes around and around. Circle. Here we go. Let's see what this one is. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does it have? 4. Are they all the same? Yes. So what is this shape? It's a square. What is this one? This one is round. It has no sides. Is it a circle? No, because it's tall and thin. It's an oval. Oval. I bet everyone knows what this one is. This one is a star. Let's count how many points the star has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. What other shape has 5 sides? That's right, a pentagon. So the star has 5 points. The pentagon has 5 sides. What is this? Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. This one is a heart. Yes, everybody knows what a heart is. What is this one? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a square? No. Is it a rectangle? No. It has 2 different names. You can either call it a diamond or a rhombus. Rhombus is the new name for it. So if it looks like a diamond, which it is a diamond, if it looks like a kite, it's a rhombus. Rhombus. Now, let's go back to Miss Martinez and see what kind of worksheet she has.
Okay, friends, so we have for the shapes, actually for the colors and the numbers, we have this. For the numbers, we have count to 10. And this is going to help you trace your numbers right here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit me my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on the right. So it's like a little rhyming story. And here you get to trace your numbers, okay? So remember, use your colors or your pencils and trace your numbers. And this will help you practice, okay? Remember, we got to keep practicing. We got to keep doing this. And we have the shapes. I have a couple of shapes here, and they're dinosaur shapes. So this is my star. And you can look in your house. You can do a game like a scavenger hunt, and you can try to see if you can find some of these shapes. Like in the star, we can find it outside at nighttime. Maybe in the sky, we can see some stars. Then we have the heart. And I have seen a lot of videos where people are putting hearts on their windows. And so if you go outside and walk around, you might be able to find some of these hearts on some people's windows. Okay, so this is a good thing that you can look if you guys get to walk a little bit outside. You can look for these hearts. Then we have our rhombus. Okay. We have a rectangle. We have our square. We have our pentagon. And I'm going to show you a new shape. We haven't seen this shape before, but it's called a crescent. And it's a moon. See, it's the shape of a moon. So I want to see if you go out tonight and you can find the moon. And see if this is the shape that the moon is tonight. If it's not like this, let us know if one of these nights you can find a crescent moon, okay? So that will be one of your homeworks. When you go outside, see if you can find a moon that is crescent, okay? We have some other worksheets. And this is gonna be your color worksheets. Remember, you gotta go by numbers. So you're gonna be practicing your numbers and you're gonna be practicing your color words. And in a little bit, Ms. Bradley is gonna go through the color words so we can do these worksheets, okay? So I'm gonna let her go review the color words with you guys and then I can show you how to do these worksheets, okay?
All right, I hope you've been practicing your color words because you need to know them. All right, I want you to be super ready for kindergarten. And our word this week, one of our sight words is the color O-R-A-N-G-E. What is that? Orange. So we have R-E-D, red, B-L-U-E, blue, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, B-R-O-W-N, brown, B-L-A-C-K, black, G-R-E-E-N, green, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, P-I-N-K, pink, and W-H-I-T-E, white. And if you look on YouTube, you can find the songs like we used to sing for all of these color words. You can find them on YouTube. So what I want you to do is when you finish watching this video, go see if you can find them. It's called the color songs. And you can put the color song for red in there and it'll pop up for you. And you can sing along with it. Okay? Let's go back to Miss Martinez and see what she has to do, what she has for us to do.
Okay, friends, so we have, I'm pretty sure you have noticed that this week we're doing a lot of dinosaur stuff because it's dinosaur week. So we're gonna do our color words and we're gonna get to color these eggs for our dinosaurs, okay? So we have a color words here. So we have B-L-U-E. So you're gonna color that egg, that color B-L-U-E. And B-L-U-E is blue. Then we're gonna do O-R-A-N-G-E. What color is that? Orange. And then we're gonna do G-R-E-E-N. What color is G-R-E-E-N, friends? That's green. And I know this is Miss Bradley's favorite color, R-E-D, red. So we're gonna color that egg red. And then we have P-I-N-K, and that is pink. Then we have Y-E-L-L-O-W. What color is that, friends? Yellow, good job. Then we have B-R-O-W-N, brown, good job. And then my favorite color, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Yes. So I know we're missing one color here, and it's color G-R-A-Y. That's the color gray. And we don't have it here. So what I want you guys to do is find a color gray if you have one, or you can use a pencil because the pencil, it's a little gray if you don't do it too hard. And you can use that to write your name on top, okay, guys? So use the color gray to write your name on top. Remember, we gotta practice writing our names, okay? And we always start from the beginning of the line to the end, okay? So that will be one of our color words worksheet. And on this one, you guys get to do, like I said, you got to do your numbers. So all the number ones are gonna be YELLOW, okay? So all the number ones, you're gonna color what color? Yellow. And then on your number twos, you're gonna use GREEN. And that is color green. So all your number twos are gonna be green. Your number three is gonna be BROWN. And that's the color brown. And then our number four is the color word of the week. ORANGE, orange, okay? Oh, we have our color that we were missing. Our number five is gonna be GREY, great. And then number six is gonna be BLUE, blue, okay? So I want you guys to color this nice and neat. Make sure you stay inside the lines and no scribbles, scrabbles, okay? We gotta practice, practice, practice. We gotta stay inside the lines, boys and girls, okay? Good job. Okay, those are gonna be our color worksheets and our number worksheets. We have two more worksheets that I wanna talk to you guys really, really quick. It's gonna be our pattern worksheet and our letter match. On this worksheet, in the bottom, you have this little piece that you gotta cut, and then you gotta match it to this pattern. So on this one, we have a dinosaur with an egg, and a dinosaur by itself, and then one with an egg, and then one by itself. So what will be our next dinosaur here? If we have egg, dinosaur, what will be our next shape that we have to have there, or our next picture? It will be the dinosaur with the egg. So make sure you cut it and you glue it there, okay? So that's how we're gonna do it. And then on the next line, you have dinosaur, palm tree, dinosaur, palm tree. So you gotta figure out which shape or which character is next. And then you're gonna cut it and you're gonna put it there, okay? And so on the other two. You gotta make sure you follow your patterns, okay? And then glue this piece here with the right picture on it. And then the same thing with the letter word worksheet. On the bottom, you have your letters. You're gonna cut them. Okay, I'm sorry. You're gonna cut them. And then you're gonna match it with the head. So this dinosaur head has the letter A. So you're gonna look in here and you're gonna find your letter A, and then you're gonna cut it and you're gonna glue it on the square. Then you're gonna do the next one, the letter F, the letter N, the D, the I, and the H. You cut your little squares and you find the letter that is gonna match. And do you see that in my head we have uppercase letters? And the ones that we have to match to is gonna be our lowercase letters. So we're working uppercase and lowercase letters, my friends, okay? So make sure you pay attention on that and put the right lowercase with the uppercase, friends, okay? I hope you have fun when you're doing this, and make sure you have an adult that is paying attention when you're cutting, okay? I am so happy and so excited to do this with you guys. Even though we can't see you, we're still doing it here on the video. And if you guys want to send us some pictures of the things that you're doing at home, you can send it to the email or to the Remind, okay? Ms. Bradley, is there anything else that you want to say?
Just bye, friends, for now. We'll see you in the next video. I'm super excited to be able to share circle time with you guys and share time with Miss Martinez, because I don't get to see her either. So this is how we get to talk too. So we'll see you again really soon, okay? Have a good day.
Bye, friends. We see you soon.